Have you ever wondered how some people grow their money steadily while others struggle just to save? It's not luck. It's not just a rich people thing. The secret is investing, the habit of making your money work for you over time. That's much to ask.
Starting now gives you a huge advantage thanks to something called compounding, which experts call the eighth wonder of the world. Today, we'll break down investing simply. What it is, why it works so well, and why the best time to start is right now. Investing means using your money to buy assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses that have the potential to increase in value over time. Instead of letting your cash gather dust, investing allows your money to earn income through dividends, interest, rent, or capital gains. While investing involves risk and values can fluctuate, historically long-term investing has proven to beat inflation and savings account interest rates. The biggest benefit of investing early is compounding, earning returns on your returns. Even starting with as little as $50 per month in your 20s can grow into tens of thousands by retirement. Time gives your investments the power to multiply exponentially, like planting a tree that grows more branches and fruit each year. Delaying investing means losing out on many years of potential growth, making it harder to reach your financial goals later. In 2024, savings accounts in the US had interest rates below 1%, often not keeping up with inflation around 3 to 4%. This means money kept in savings accounts can lose purchasing power over time. Yeah. Investing in the stock market or diversified funds offers a better chance to grow wealth above inflation, although it comes with market ups and downs. Smart investing starts with setting clear financial goals, having an emergency fund, and paying off high-interest debt before investing large sums. Many believe investing is only for the rich. It's too risky. I don't know enough. Here's the truth. You can start with small amounts using investing apps or employer retirement plans. Risk is manageable through diversification, spreading investments across different assets to reduce losses. Learning is a step-by-step process, and many beginner-friendly resources and tools exist to help you. If you had $100 to start investing today, what would you choose? Stocks, real estate, crypto, or something else? Share your answer in the comments. Let's learn from each other. To recap, investing means making your money work for you. Starting early lets compounding grow your wealth more effectively. Anyone can invest, not just the wealthy.
Next time, we'll explore types of investments and which work best for beginners. Subscribe, tap the bell, and see you next time.